So in this video, you're gonna see how to get the banking info, how to get the social. The biggest objections that I see people get is
There's 3 programs that the state's kind of recommending for us: $3,000 plan, $5,000 plan, and a $7,500 plan. These are all going to be within your budget. What's nice about this is that a $3,000 plan will make sure that the cremation is taken care of completely. Okay. And with that one, that's going to be a starter plan. And then most of our clients go with the 5,000 plan. The reason for that is because the cremation will be taken care of and paid off, as well as there's going to be a little bit extra just in case anything else comes up. Okay. So that's the 5,000. And the 7,500, I personally wouldn't even recommend it for you. We can definitely take a look at it, but it's going to be our most expensive plan. I'm going to take it off the table for you because it's a little out of your budget. It definitely...
How much is the 7,500?
It's $73 a month for that one.
That would be all right.
You want to do that one? Okay, so see if we can even get you approved, okay? And what was your address? Okay, and here, what was his social? And who's your primary care doctor? Okay, and date last seen? Last time you went there?
Last year.
So you'd want to start it on the 1st, you said, if you got approved. Routing number automatically populates here. Is that right? And then the account number. Okay, so I'm going to send you a quick text here. Boom. Sweet. Got it approved.